cross member repair complete. I made a new cross member for the Suzuki. I removed what was left of the old cross member. It was rotted off from here to here, so I cut it off to where it was good metal. And I drilled and put bolts in to the remaining piece. The front motor mount is resting on this part here, and this cross member supports the weight. So this is all good. This new piece is bolted to this remaining piece, and then back here I welded on a flange to this cross member and put 2 bolts through. So this piece, in repair moments, this piece can be unbolted and removed. The rear transmission mount rests on this cross member, so all of its weight's good. So this is a nice replacement for the rotted out cross member on this Suzuki SX4.